While we provide powerful no-code and low-code interfaces, serious AI programmers need programmatic control and extensibility. Every component provides Python SDKs or REST APIs, or both. We can run these APIs in hosted Jupyter Labs in the environment with configurable resources set up by our admins. The environment comes with sample notebooks and snippets for common functionality, like creating a driverless AI experiment. Everything that we've clicked through in the UI is scriptable and automatable. This enables integration into CI/CD pipelines where model deployment is triggered by automated testing or approval workflows. H2O GPTE provides APIs for collection management, document ingestion, query extraction, and accessing the super agent. You can embed generative AI capabilities into your own applications. APIs are documented through OpenAPI specifications with interactive Swagger UIs. Developers can explore endpoints, test API calls, and generate client code in Python, JavaScript, Go, and other languages. This standard approach means that developers who know REST APIs can integrate H2O components without platform-specific training. Beyond API integrations, the platform supports extensibility through custom code. Driverless AI custom recipes let you inject custom feature transformations, scoring functions, or model algorithms. You write Python code that conforms to an interface, and it becomes a first-class component in the AutoML workflow. For generative AI extensibility, we support the Model Context Protocol. MCP allows agents to invoke external tools and services through a standardized interface. Want to integrate with Salesforce, MongoDB, or GitHub? There are 45 MCP integrations available pre-tested, and you can build custom MCP servers from proprietary systems.